September 22, 2018. Fox Photos/Hulton Archive, Getty Images Drive. Richard Shepard says Diana would have walked away with bruises and a broken arm if she were strapped into her seat. Princess Diana would have survived her car crash and been able to attend her son's wedding if she had just worn a seat belt that fateful day in Paris, a noted pathologist claims. Drive. Richard Shepard is opening up about the crash that claimed Princess Diana's life, saying that she did not need to die as a result of the high-speed crash. Shepard has performed more than 23,000 post-mortem examinations, including examining Princess Diana's body for the official inquest into her death. He told the Daily Mail that though the crash itself was violent, a seat belt would have saved her life and let her see her two boys grow up. "I wish I could say she would have died whatever happened, but the fact is, if she had worn her seatbelt she would have been here for Prince William and Harry's weddings," he said. Shepard said Princess Diana would have walked away from the crash with a black eye or a broken arm, but instead was hurtled forward with thousands of pounds of force, killing her. Her driver was traveling at a high speed to escape photographers when he lost control of the car, crashing it. I remember saying the same thing many years ago. https://t.co/8ed5jbrzbp https://t.co/zpudq50gjx, Edmund King OBE, at A President, September 22, 2018. Though Princess Diana was not able to be present to see Prince Harry marry Meghan Markle, her spirit was felt throughout his ceremony. The couple included a number of tributes to the late Duchess of Wales in their May wedding, both large and small. As Bustle noted, there were a number of homages to Princess Diana, including a reading from her sister, Lady Jane Fellowes, who gave a reading at the ceremony. Fellowes has remained quiet about her sister's death but played an important role in the lives of Prince Harry and Prince William. Prince Harry also hand-picked a bouquet of flowers for his bride from the garden his mother planted. The flowers were Princess Diana's favorite, forget-me-nots. The tributes were especially touching given the effect Princess Diana's death had on Harry. He revealed in an interview that her death left him with depression and that the public spectacle of her funeral was traumatizing for him. "My mother had just died, and I had to walk a long way behind her coffin, surrounded by thousands of people watching me while millions more did on television," Prince Harry told Newsweek in a 2017 interview. "I don't think any child should be asked to do that, under any circumstances. I don't think it would happen today.